So now I'm going to show you some of the remaining functions under the Insert tab right here. And what's left is separator, special character, header, and footer. So separator, just like it sounds, is a separator. I can insert a page break or a horizontal line. So let's just say right about here, I'll insert a horizontal line. And there we go. So that's how the separator works. Special character is just these special characters right here that aren't available on the keyboard. And some of the more useful ones, you may need some of these. And if you do need them, I'm sure you know why. But some of the more useful ones for most of us, something like the copyright and the restricted, if you needed that. Some math right there. And then they also have the option for Asian characters, and since I don't have those installed on my machine, I can't see them, but if you did, you would see it. And then advanced, and this is if you know a character's Unicode value. So if you know how to do that, go ahead. But that's how you insert a special character. Let me just insert one real fast, and see, there it is. So the other options on this insert, you've got a header, which is going to put a header at the very top of my document. See, there it is right there. And then you can also insert a footer, which puts something at the very end. So those are just the remaining things in the insert bar. And just to wrap up the insert bar, basically you can insert things a number of ways, like there's multiple ways to insert a hyperlink, but this is just an easy place to see all the things you can insert into your document. Some of the more useful being the image hyperlink, which we mentioned earlier. I guess a table if you need it, and then the really helpful bookmarks, which you can think of a bookmark as a destination that you'd like to hyperlink to later. So that's the wrap-up of the insert bar in Google Documents.